Good morning to everyone, the students of class 8 MIS Hiswa. I am Prakash Sharma, English teacher, just standing before you to teach the topic Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Dear student, in earlier video, one day before I taught some points about Bipin Chaudhary. In life, some moments comes when the man lost their memories and he has no conscious what he did in his life. Just like the story starts the next part. Dear students, Bipin Babu felt that the man is doing mistake while the man is telling the original matters, but this was not in his mind. Bipin Babu never went to Ranchi, but he tried to go several times but never made it. So he smiled and said, "Do you know me? Do you know me?" Then that man answered, "Who does not know Bipin Chaudhary? Bipin Chaudhary is such persons. I spend my time in Ranchi and I don't know Bipin Chaudhary. So who does not know Bipin Chaudhary?" Then Bipin turned towards the almirah of books, that means bookshelves, and said, "Still you are making a mistake. I have never been to Ranchi." Again and again, this was the statement of Bipin Babu. "I have never gone to Ranchi," but that person told him and provide so many witness, so many proofs that he spent the time in Ranchi in a bungalow. To hear these words, that man laughed and said, "What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You fell in Hudru and your right knee was cut. Your right knee was cut. I did bring iodine for you, and next day and other days I arranged for you to Netherhart, but you could not due to pain in knee. Due to extreme pain in knee, you could not go. Have you not any money? Anybody others whom you know that time in Ranchi? Dinesh Mukherjee. Dinesh Mukherjee. You stayed in a bungalow. That means so many examples that person memorized before the Bipin Chaudhary. And you said that you do not like the food of hotel and will cook the food by a bawarchi. That means didn't like the food cooking in hotel, so his special food was cooked by a bawarchi. Bawarchi means the person who cooks the food. Bawarchi. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. There was a great argument. There was a great discussion about the moon landing. Landing on the moon. So remember in your mind, that person replied, that person requested again and again, please make up your mind. I shall tell you Other example, you always carried a bag. You always carried a bag on your sightseeing. When you when you went to see that sight for traveling, that time also you carried the bag of books. Tell me, am I right or not? Bipin Babu spoke quietly. To hearing these words, Bipin Babu spoke quietly, his eyes are still on the books. This time his eyes are still on the books. Which month is 58? Which month in 58 are you talking about? The man said, October. Then Bipin Babu said, no sir, I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. So it is your mistake. You are making a mistake. Good day. Dear student, so many examples were given before Bipin Babu so that the memory regained, but their memory did not regain. But the man neither bent nor stopped to talk. Very strange. One day evening, that means one evening, I took tea in your bungalow. That means that person took tea with Bipin Babu together in bungalow, and Bipin Babu told me about your family. About family, and said that there are no any children in your family, and your wife died also 10 years earlier. Your only one brother was died due to madness. That was the great reason you did not want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. Dear students, all the memories that person regained before the Bipin Babu, but he never accepted it because that matter was not in the memory of Bipin Babu. When Bipin Babu paid for the books and was leaving the shop. Shop means bookshop. That man was looking at him. That man was looking at him with great astonished, with great surprised. One part of the story completed today, and the other part of the story will be given in next video according to routine. Dear students, if you have any problem, you can ask me on my phone. Thanks.